the Europeans will react to Bitcoin. Let me just set these up first. Okay. Alright, very range bound for the day after the dump. Really small range too. So this current 4-hour candle open is London Open. The lights. Also been playing with a new tool. Still testing it out, but once I get the hang of this new tool, it's gonna be an absolute game changer. Yeah. Looking at it right now. Yeah. So this 4-hour candle here, its POC is 93,000. See how London reacts to this. Usually 30 minutes into the hour, we should have like a move. Not ideal though to take reversal longs if I'm scalping, but it's actually a pretty decent scalp to fill 50% of the move. Yeah, it's already a 1R from there. Ooh, what happened to my light? If you guys are watching, say hello. Hello, hello. So much darker without the backlight. And voila. Voila. Wow, but this side looks brighter. That's why. Was in such a hurry I forgot to turn on the studio lights. Let's also get this spread there. There we go. This morning dump was hard. Yeah, man. Weekend news catching up to the market. Jesus. Jesus. Post dump. Yeah. Tokyo Open was here. Here. This move was CME futures, but this move was Tokyo Open. Tokyo Open. It's a very tight range. I'm also looking at the DOM. It's really thin. The bid and ask. Very flat. But bids are pretty big on the spot side. Huh. VPOC. Let's see alts. Definitely took a big beating. Everything's red except Decred, Dash. Interesting. Up 14% for the day. Yeah. Oh my god. How much is Sandbox now? 13 cents. Gala Gaming. Yo. 200 to 300. Dusk. This thing has been popping up on my MEXC notification. What is this? What is Dusk? This thing. The old coin. Since 2019. Dusk Network. Dusk Foundation. Ooh, BTC. Creeping up ever so slowly. Maybe from here to here is not a bad idea. I'll try going long on BingX. Boys, if you wanna... Hey? Oh god. My PC's frozen. Am I still live? Alright, we're back. I hope so, boy. Hello, Delirium. I think I'll put my stop loss below this wick. Below this wick. Oh my god, it's already going. Yeah, just gonna market order. Target 93-ish. Wow, one R. Maybe we put limit order. Limit order. SL. Here. I think I'm just gonna go. I'll just go. $45. It's pretty ugly risk reward, whatever. Or here. Wait. The longer I stall, shit. 93. See if we get a pullback. Maybe below this wick. Whatever. Surely. Okay. Oh, we're already in. Okay. Entry price 930. SL. SL. Nine 92633. 92633. TP 93524. I think it's decent. If I get stopped out here, that means this hourly candle flips bearish anyways. That's the low, so that's my invalidation. Surely we gotta fill. Surely. Might even ask for more, not gonna lie. 93.5. GM Europe. Yes. Come on, Europeans. Conquer. This must be cheap for the Europeans. They gotta buy now, please. 1.4R. That's okay, we'll take it. I won't greed for more. unless you include Russia as part of Europe. Yeah. What do you classify Russia as? I classify it as Europe. I don't know if that's offensive or not, but I think growing up, school, they taught us Russia is Europe. I know it's also like half Asia or some shit, but hey, they look European, so surely they're Europe. Oh, my bad, llama, my bad. For sure. Hey, Rupee to Moon, dude, you are a beast, man. Crazy, you got another funded account passed. Crazy. Dude, mad props to Duke, aka Rupee to Moon here on YouTube. This guy's just been winning. I've been watching you. Mostly on gold. You still trade crypto though, Rupee to Moon? I notice a lot of them are just commodities. We need you, bro. Come back to crypto. You know, it's also pretty sad looking at CT today. It's just so boring now. Yes, but too volatile. I wonder what is your entry model? I noticed they're really high RR. You even like hedge some or open a second position, which is very interesting. You even have multiple positions throughout the way. You have 4 here. That's crazy. Look, yeah, you look like a continuation trader instead of a reversal. Continuation I'm not good at, so I'm trying for one right now. Let's see, because I believe we have to fill 50% today. Like, come on, we have to fill. I took this long because the previous hour closed pretty bullish, closed above here, so surely CT got depressed because no more monies. Yeah, man, it is. So people feel less inclined to shitpost pointlessly, which is good. Also, by the way, did you know that replies don't get you paid anymore? I saw this. I don't know if it's true. Doge Designer posted something earlier. Replies. Let me see. Yeah, replies still count toward. Oh, they do. Toward X earnings when they appear on user's home timeline. Oh, what? But he says here, replies no longer count toward earnings on X. Only home timeline impressions from verified users count. Okay. So maybe like top comments only. Maybe top comments only. And plus InfoFi is out of the game now too, so. I usually trade imbalances. Usually people refer them as fair value gaps. Ah. Okay. I think this is a pretty straightforward trade. Proven wrong if this current hourly candle flips bearish, because there's no way you move this fast now and then you decide to reverse all the way. So I think this is decent. I believe this move will come. It's just a matter of time. Still half hour before 9 a.m. in London. Yeah, but they're up, I think. 4 p.m. Hong Kong time is London session open after daylight saving, so. Aren't imbalance and fair value gap a different style of trading? Maybe, I don't know. I mean, they're all the same thing, really, right? It's when price moves really up, and that gap can also be known as an imbalance. So like this one, like this is a major imbalance. From 7 a.m. when CME futures opened, and then Asia open, Tokyo open, straight dump. It's very violent too. This is the 1 minute chart. So 50% must be filled. Trade is going against me, surely. But still green. I'd be worried if price comes here. If it bounces, I can open another position. Why not? Or not? Also, like on CT, a lot of the crypto people are really tired of crypto. Like Ignace here, I used to follow him back in the airdrop days. And this one just made me laugh when he said digital gold. It's just going both ways. It's like the "see you again" meme with Paul Walker. Yo, surely not, man. Londoners, come on, Londoners, do your thing, Londoners. All right, let me see the DOM. The DOM. I have no idea how to look at this. I'll show you this one day, but I'm still testing this out right now. There is a lot of bids towards 96-ish, even below down here. How do you look at DOM? But some of the great traders I know, they use DOM. Think US will dump even harder? History repeats itself. That's what I fear too. That's what I fear. Tonight. No US news though. Canada CPI. What I'm fearful of is the Bank of Japan interest rate decision on January 23rd. So the consensus is they're gonna hold rates at 0.75%. Okay, but if they hike it when the consensus is here, I don't know. Carry trade unwind again. Maybe. Maybe this is this interest rate decision is the one people don't pay attention to. Because everyone was talking about this one last month. Even I was talking about it last month. But now, not really anyone is talking about this one. So what if they surprise us with another rate hike for Bank of Japan? Because surely they'll have to, right? Like the yields is at 2.2%. It's way too high. And also the signs are kicking in. The US is giving the green light for Japan to intervene in the forex market for USD JPY. So that's why you saw the yen futures gapping up. Does anyone know how to use the DOM? I need to look into this. Bid ask. On Saturday, I opened a short position on BTC around 95, but there was no volume. I closed down. Yeah, dude, it was very, very lifeless during the weekends. I thought maybe we'll get some weekend pump, but no, nothing was moving during that time. Saturday, Sunday, look at that. This was Sunday, this was Saturday. No volume. Ron, you're gonna win this trade? I hope so. I hope so. Did you say dong? No, I said dom. Depth of market. Dom. So what I'm looking at right now is like this. The type of shit you see on the Bloomberg terminal. But I'm still testing it out. I want to get familiar with this new tool and then I'll share with you guys. But it's crazy. They have all sorts of very nice order flow features. Mm-hmm. Wait for 50% fill on FVG. Wait for full fill of imbalance. More dump? I think Europe will, like London will push here first. I'm confident. But tonight, the US, I don't know. Will the US pump or dump tonight? Maybe they do nothing. Yo, what did I miss? Note, what's up, man? I'm in a continuation long right now. I believe we have to fill this. And I'm looking at an order flow tool. Looking at DOM. I have no idea how they work, but they look fancy as fuck. A lot of good traders I know look at DOM and it looks cool. So I was like, let me try using that too. Let me use that DOM. No idea what I'm looking at. It's like I'm in an alien spaceship. Europe didn't dump much. Yeah, this is Europe here. And surely we do okay. I'll keep this trade short. Shows your DOM panel. Not yet. It's not on browser. It's an app on Windows. Let me get familiar with it first, and then I'll share it with you guys. Do you use DOM though? Note. There's also smart tape. There's bid ask tape. Like, what is this? But man, like a pure order flow platform. If you use it for the first time, you'll be like, oh, bang! What is this? So many. Which app? I won't say. Not yet. Not till we get that referral link. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Brother's gotta eat. Not yet. Ron, can you please look at Ladies USD? Where can it dump to in a short time? I don't know. Ladies, like, it's so low volume. Ladies. Which one is it? What's the exact pair? Name? Ticker? Is it this? Oh. Or is it like 1,000 ladies? You know, those things. Surely it's not that. Which one is it? What's the ticker beta bot? Let me know. Swarms is the new gem. What's that? What's swarms? $100 buy. Why not? Let's put that on the list. Swarms. This? Yo! It's like ICP. It is under crypto.com. Ladies USD. This one? Where can it dump to in a short time? I cannot tell you if the chart looks like this. So many sprinkles, bro. More than my McFlurry in McDonald's. This I hate to break it to you, Betabot, but I think this meme coin is dead. So in case you missed, boys, if you missed this morning's stream, why we dumped, mostly because of investors reacting to the news of the EU retaliatory tariff on Trump's Greenland threat. And then the second one is the US also, US, giving the green light to Japan for Forex intervention of the USD JPY pair. Because the dump happened at 7 a.m. Hong Kong time. That's when the CME futures open. So it's not Asia guys that dump. Well, they did dump, but they dump as a continuation of CME futures dumping. So at least we know who's dumping. Institutions. Come on, man, send it, man. I gotta go to the toilet, man. I think if it breaks this high, I'll just move my stops here. There's also quite a few alts that are negative in funding rate. Question is, long from here? Well, I'm long right now. I expect this move, the 50% of this move to be filled. So. And my trigger was because the last hour was just bullish. It closed above the compact range here. My stops, I was supposed to enter here, but I was yapping too much. So I'll just take this wick as my stop loss. Pretty straightforward. Because then this would be a fake out if I get stopped out. So bars. Ron, don't go to toilet the moment you walk out. You know what'll happen? Hey, let me go to toilet and let's see what happens. I'll be right back, boys. Nothing moved. Damn, YouTube icons are ass. Which one? These ones? You mean the emojis? Okay, I'll just wait for it to break this high and I'll move my stop here. Look at the wick. Okay, pump. Surely. Come on, Europeans. Show the world what you can do. Show the world why you conquered in the medieval ages. Yeah, you didn't do a number 2. Oh, I mean on pump. Okay. Pump fun? Oh, what the? That's an old chart. Damn! This is an old chart. That wick? Did it do like a wick? Yeah. Pretty much every coin looks like that right now. Are you in Pump Fun? CS art design? Yo, you know, I had a shower thought. I think airdrops are gonna be good in 10 years. Yeah. When crypto projects start acting like public companies, I think it's gonna be worth farming airdrops. Because I thought to myself, you know, what if we just continue doing airdrops? Definitely we're not gonna be profitable now. Not as in 2024 and early 2025, but I think the grind is there. I think mad props to you, man, if you're still farming airdrops. Because I think it's gonna be worth it in 10 years. Yeah. VCs and airdrops will be more selective. Yeah. Fart might be good to take the upside if BTC is gonna fill. Yeah, for Fart, you know, this one we lost the local support at 36 cents. It wasn't even just this morning's dump. It was during the weekend. Somebody sold a big chunk of their Fart coin, and I was monitoring it on the 1 minute too. It was liquidation on perps because it doesn't just move like this. If it's a very aggressive move, it has to be perp. So we lost the 36 cents here, coiled up, and so it's looking pretty good because it's tapping back towards the December range. I remember scalping here when I was in the Philippines, so not lost at all. Okay, I'm gonna move my stops now. Should I? Nah. Yeah. Nah, fuck it. Whatever. 1.44R. Right now, I'm farming free AI API keys and burning data center resources. Yo, note. How's your Monad project doing, by the way? Node has been building crazy. What's it called again? The Monad thingy-majig. I forgot what it's called. My bad. Do you consider an on-chain monitor app for fart coin trading like Stockchain? Oh yes, I have looked at Stockchain, yeah, the founder is one of the Box Chads, Box Mining OG Chads. It was from him that I knew that the Fartcoin was a go back in November, because when Fartcoin reached 17 cents, there was, I think, 4 different wallets accumulating Fartcoin. Oh, but got stolen by a dev. No way. So you're saying he's not running Stockchain anymore? Dude, the lore deepens. So he's not. Is he? Is he still running Stockchain? What's his name again? I forgot. But the dev, who's the dev? He's not. Shit. What just happened? Is there beef between him and the dev? Yes, Kevin, yes. Oh yeah? My Monad project died due to Monchain not being in hype anymore. No free marketing, so I banned it for now. TVL still hold not high. Also the TVL of Monad, even though it's holding pretty okay, most of them are from other EVM chains, like apps that are multi-EVM. Curvens is the one you want to look for, a leading indicator for TVL for Monad, and it's only at 40 mil. It's not a big market share, which is kind of embarrassing, to be honest. What was the FDV again? The proposed FDV for Monad, it was like 8 billion? 8 billion TVL? FDV? And you come out launching a chain, holding okay, but like your leading native DApp is barely even 40, like barely even 30% of the total TVL. Are you still bullish on BTC for this year? Absolutely. Absolutely. If we hold, we're okay. Okay, if price close below here, then we're absolutely fucked. So we're still bullish. Just playing levels by levels right now. I think BTC is unique in its own way. It's not acting like a commodity. It's acting like a tech stock, but only on some nights. Like, it's its own thing. Right now, you know, BTC is just heavily manipulated in the order book. I mean, you already saw what happened on October 10th. That burned a hole in a lot of market makers' balance sheet. That's why price is so choppy. The bid-ask spread is not as good as before. And also now it's really an institutional game because this is the first time in history. First time in history, and you hear it here, Bitcoin options just overtook futures for the first time in open interest. Open interest in Bitcoin options rose to 74 billion. First time in history. Making options the #1 instrument for Bitcoin's largest derivative position. So it's the big boys game now. Who here actually played options? I don't. Maybe Note has played option. Alright, the big boys. So like I said, even back in the alpha drop days, that Wall Street quant, he said the best way to price Bitcoin is to look at the options market. Double stream for double dump? Hey, BTC can do whatever it wants, but can you just hit my TP? I want to play options but on-chain ones because I want it to be private now. Technically, polychain, poly market is like an option. It's basically an option. Paradox says they're gonna bring options with privacy this year. Maybe worth trying, actually. I think this year, boys, if you're looking to trade, it's time to expand more than just price action now. It's very different from trading gold and tech stocks because crypto, we can't deny it, it's super manipulated. So you need some additional tools to add on to your strategy. You need order flow. And you need to also look at options data, frankly, for getting a picture of macro sentiment, because that's where most of the big boy money are, especially mid-January when Bitcoin options, for the first time overtook Bitcoin futures in open interest, and it's likely to stay that way. How did Tesla work out? Wait, hold up. That candle kind of scared me. Let me look at the DOM. Let me look at the DOM. Still have no idea what this is saying. But I see the current price right now in the DOM is quite thin. 23, 88, 100. But the thicker numbers are down below at 93. All the way to 90. Damn, the thickest one is at 92,500. What does that mean? Does that mean they placed their limit orders there? Nah, that's order book. This is DOM. This is like executed trades, right? How did Tesla work out? Let's see. Tesla? Close. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I forgot to put studio sound. My bad. Yeah, actually, let me fix that right now. Okay, wait. Wait. Alright, I'm gonna switch my mic source. Let me know if it's bad or not. Okay, we're back. How about now? Is it bad? Let me know if it's good or bad. The next hourly, it's clean? Alright, nice. Okay. 30 seconds for the next hourly candle. I hope it continues to push up instead of creating the bottom wick. DOM and order book is the same, says the Google. It's just presented in a beautiful way. No, not really. I know it's more than just order book because this, I don't know. DOM and order book the same. Isn't that the same? Okay. New hourly candle, please just be the bottom wick and go. Come on. Show the world what you can do. Like I want to close my trade. If I move, my stop loss. Let me see. Yeah, fuck it. I move. Nine two eight two eight. Okay, looking at the DOM, it's tapping into 3 figures now. Trying to look at the DOM. See if there's anything substantial. Okay, let me see. Okay, wait. I'm gonna use Grok first. Right now, the DOM is showing a classic short-term bearish defensive bias around the mid 93,000 level. Oh, look at that. They say they're defending here. 93,500. They're already stacking sell walls here. Much thinner bids underneath on the buy side. Overall book skew, more aggressive selling pressure. Resting offers sitting just overhead. Buyers are not stepping up aggressively yet to defend higher levels. Fuck this, I'm out. Nah. Yeah, Grok is actually getting better. They're lying less now. Dude, that's pretty big volume, man. I'm out. Oh, but Let's distract ourselves. Oh, the Zama token came out. Did anyone get the Zama airdrop? Eh? Preview? What was that I saw? Isn't the Zama token out? Oh, pre-market. Right, my bad. Is AI working for you today? Yeah. Working. I notice Grok. It's not bad now. It's pretty good. Decent. It lies less. It doesn't lie as often now. What does Zama actually do, by the way? I have no idea. I don't remember. I did not farm that. Oh, FHE, like mind network. Privacy. Privacy narrative. My ears no detect difference. Okay. That's good. That's good. Pretty overextended, so it's actually quite probable we'll come back here. Yeah, Super Grok. It's nice. Especially if you type in the prompt be objective. Something like that. Be objective. Do not take sides. Or like you present to them an argument. Also, what's really nice, quick tip is if someone posts like their opinion on macro, especially, you can just ask Grok, do you think this argument is logical? This guy, man, he's hilarious. 276 IQ. Funny enough, we used to ape without question. I told Martin this. The days of making easy money, it's kind of over now. Like a lot of alts will never ever come back towards even half of their all-time high. Not unless this industry, you know, market cap wise, excluding Bitcoin, grows to about half of the Nasdaq market cap. 57 billion. I correct myself. S&P 500. You were dicking around here. I stopped using Perplexity nowadays and mostly use Grok for AI searches now. Perplexity is also pretty okay. Okay, what is Dom showing me? What is this? I'm also looking at this. FIFO chart. No idea. Might actually get stopped out here. Check my Discord DM. No sign up needed. Hey, this looks familiar. Oh, yes. One of my homeboys also sent me this. It's a free crypto order flow using Imgui, C++, Wasm. It's an open order flow tool. Have you been using it? Is it like nice? Nice? Ugh. Perhaps going back to the original stop loss. I don't know. I'll just let it breathe. It's not widening my stop loss because that was my original. I'll let it breathe. Full invalidation. Full invalidation if this candle closes bearish. Click on Dom ladder in it and you get Dom for free. Okay. Not gonna lie, Google with integrated Gemini AI is also hitting the right notes for every question I've asked. Hey, free alpha. Thank you, Llama. Google with integrated Gemini AI. Oh shit. Rupee to Moon. Duke posted something. Got a copy. BTC Outlook. Let's see. Hey. Pretty much the same as mine. Start. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go, Duke Duke. Are you participating in Aster's AI versus human tournament? I didn't get picked, unfortunately. No. No, I did not. What is it? It's a new campaign? What is it? Aster AI. Oh, it's a trading tournament. AI versus human? Oh shit. Oh, back in December. Who's winning? Damn. Half of the humans. Wait, this is. What about the AI? Cloud Sonnet 4.5, huh? Yo. Who's winning right now? Oh, mint. You have to copy their shit, dude. Short on ETH, entry price 2.9. What? First entry or average entry? Oh. Oh, okay, okay. That's a very interesting idea. AI versus humans. Actually put AI to test. All right, boys. I'll update you on the trade. I gotta go now. It's gonna sign off. Take good care of yourselves. Smash up the like button. Don't forget. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Join Discord. We have an amazing community full of talented traders. All right, boys. My name is Ron. Sean and out.